Well, good morning to my YouTube family, my family, my family, my family. I want to thank everybody in my family for being in my life. This is Loretta Living. It has been a beautiful, beautiful life. As you can see, I have my cup of coffee. It says, "My greatest blessing, call me Grandma." Yes, I'm a grandma. I'm a mama. So this morning, I am getting up, enjoying my coffee this morning, and just a little bit of breakfast. Sent my mother's presents off to her house. My daughter came over early this morning. She gave me my gift. I'm going to go upstairs and open it. And she delivered my gifts to my mom from me. So I want to thank my family so much. It's nice to have precious people in your life. My kids, my mom, my sister, my sister-in-law, my daughter-in-law. I want to thank you all. My mother-in-law, my mother-in-laws who are not here, my son's mother. I want to thank her. She is a precious, precious lady, and my heart is with her today, and she knows why. I don't have to say it in words, but my blessings are with her. I want to thank you guys so much. Stay blessed, stay safe, and keep the love coming. Love you. I want to show you a tour of the house now. Happy Mother's Day to all the mothers of YouTube. You guys have been with me through all of my videos. I really want to thank you. Happy Mother's Day to all of my YouTube friends. Enjoy your day. It's your day. Still in sleep, right? I want to show you the Kira cabinets. This is our mother's favorite. She used to sell them, and when they learned something, she would collect these dolls. And I think this is true on my iPhone. They are glass, so I don't want them broken. And the one at the top is my eye collector. More dolls from Avon. And my glass rose dish, which is in white. The same over here. Now what I want to do, I'm going to open this cabinet up and show you something. If you look at the picture real good, all of these dolls are what they were working for. I think she still has the blue in her house. But let me show you a little bit closer. Now these dolls are what they collected. She has the yellow one, you'll see, the pink one, and two other dolls. I'm looking for that blue one. Yeah, it's a beautiful picture frame on the stand. next to the Avon. This one has a little dog next to it. And if you can tell, he's looking up at her. And she has her Avon purse. So, Avon. You will notice each one of these ladies has a purse with the Avon sign. She has on a beautiful yellow dress with a yellow bag. This one is a peach and stripe. I love this one. You know, of course, when you're out selling Avon and they used to walk in my cars, you get kind of hot. This one has a fan. I just thought these are beautiful treasures that I want to show on Mother's Day. This mother is she's not alive, but I'm sure she's in our spirit as I am showing this. Now look at this one with the purse. Okay, it's back inside. All of these are the Avon ladies who used to sing Avon. So this one is showing the perfume that they used to sell. And you notice they all have hair. So, that's my trip about right now for Mother's Day. And welcome to Loretta Living Tour. This vase is a vase that my mom gave me, and those are her favorite colors. She gave me this jar one day. Like I said, this is a jar that my mom gave me one year. It is glass, and I just takes care of that jar. I think it's so pretty. Mother's Day. Hope you enjoy your day. And be safe. We all must stay safe. This Mother's Day is very hard. I'm not sure what I'm going to do. I'm going to stop by my mother's house or just stay at home to be safe. I do want to take care of my mom comes first. And now my Mother's Day table. I decided to put a tray on each end. Each person has an apple, 2 gold on each end, and white 4 chairs have gold. White apples. You will see some hills in the center of the table where the centerpiece. to all the moms. Be special. It's not the Sunday that we always celebrate, but we only do it because we're strong women. We are strong women who will survive anything. Hope you enjoy your day. Thank you for joining me. This is Loretta Living.